Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick update on lumber pricing, so stick around. Hey, in last week's video, I kind of explained a little bit about the lumber industry, what I understood it to be, and how lumber is priced, and how in the retail centers today, we're seeing lumber priced that was actually purchased 30 and 60 days ago. I started watching lumber prices at how it's being purchased at the wholesale level and from the sawmills to kind of get an idea of where lumber is headed. And it's not good. Yesterday afternoon I received some data that indicated that the benchmark price of lumber has jumped up again almost 10%. Now the benchmark that's being used for this pricing is kiln dried SPF 2x4x8. Now, as I mentioned in last week's video, lumber is sold in bundles of 1,000 board feet, and historically it had been around $300 to $400 for 1,000 board feet. But over the last 6 months or so, we've been seeing it at the $800 and $900 for 1,000 board feet, and then recently it hit $1,000 per board feet, and last week it was, I believe, $1,048 for 1,000 board feet of lumber. So yesterday that price went up to $1,130 for 1,000 board feet. That's almost a 10% increase. Now we don't know if those prices are going to continue for a few days or a week or 2 weeks, and we're going to continuously see that spike and then a little drop in price and a spike and a little drop in price. But this is one of the highest prices that I have seen. So it tells me that we're probably going to see sometime in the very near future at the retail center, when this wood finally hits the stores, that lumber is going to jump up maybe as much as 10%. Now that's just my best guess, and I don't know for sure because I've just started tracking lumber prices, but it's certainly concerning when you see lumber hitting a new high of $1,130 for 1,000 board feet. But hey, just so you know, I have been reaching out to some industry experts, trying to get to the bottom of this, trying to get some expert knowledge, and we're going to be producing a video here real soon to talk to some of these experts so that they can explain a little bit more about what's going on in the industry and where the profits are, and is there price gouging and who's making what, and we're just going to get through all of it hopefully and get to the bottom of it and get you some good answers on what's happening in the lumber industry. Hey, this is just a quick update here from the Woodworking Garage. If this was helpful to you, please give me that thumbs up and let me know. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll keep putting out good content like this to hopefully help you and your decisions as a woodworker. And if you want to see last week's video, I'm going to go ahead and throw a link to it right up here. So you can go ahead and click on that and go check it out and see the full video. Hey, thanks for watching.